I'm working another seat for the Maloof low back chair, and this one I'm doing a little bit differently in the shaping. The last couple seats that I've made, I've been using the Travisher quite a bit to shape this depression in the seat. Well, this time I didn't use the Travisher yet. I will be using it later, but I'm trying to remove as much as possible with this angle grinder and a disc here that's a Kutzall disc. And so all of this depression here, cutout, has been used by this tool. Not in my shop. I do that outside where the dust can fly around. So when I do this tool, I stay pretty far away from the outline here, which has to be a sharp cut down on that outline. Now, I've started some work here with some hand tools, and I start with a carving tool. This is a big number 7 22 millimeters, and I'll just clear out something close here. Just to get started. Now, I still stayed away from the line. The pencil line was made from a template that showed this edge shape here. So then, after doing that, I can take the number 5 tool here and go right to the line. Sometimes I grab this back bent or whatever number 5 tool, and then I can hold that a little bit at a sharper angle and dig down. But this is going to take some work, because I got to get down even further here along this edge, all the way around. But I feel a lot more comfortable working that edge with hand tools. And then, of course, I'll use scraper blades to smooth that out after I get down far enough. This is going to take a couple iterations of using this tool to get the kind of a slope on that edge.